Paying friends back just got a whole lot easier. Samsung's new tap to transfer feature for Samsung Wallet is here to revolutionize how you send money. Ready to ditch the hassle? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech breakthroughs. Today we're talking about Samsung Wallet's game-changing tap to transfer feature. Buckle up, this is huge. Ever stressed about splitting the dinner bill or paying back a friend for concert tickets? Samsung's got you covered. Starting later this month, Samsung's Wallet's tap to transfer feature lets you send money in seconds with just a tap. No apps, no waiting, just pure convenience. Here's the deal. Samsung Wallet uses NFC tech to connect your debit card to your friend's digital wallet, Visa or MasterCard. It's all good. Just tap your phone to theirs and boom, money sent. No extra apps needed, and funds hit their account in minutes. Don't have a digital wallet? No problem. You can tap a physical tap-to-pay debit card and it works like magic. Not nearby? Search their phone number in Samsung Wallet and send money remotely. It's that easy. Samsung Wallet isn't just about payments, it's your digital life in one place. Store your credit cards, driver's license, student ID, boarding passes, even that dusty gift card from 2020. With Tap to Transfer, Samsung's making it easier than ever to stay connected and handle your daily tasks. Samsung's Drew Blackard says it best. This update takes Samsung Wallet to the next level. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just hate waiting for bank transfers, this feature is a game changer. Samsung's rolling out Tap to Transfer later this month, and it's set to make P2P payments faster and smoother than ever. Available on millions of Galaxy phones, this is Samsung Wallet stepping up to simplify your life. Who's ready to tap and transfer? And that's the scoop on Samsung Wallet's Tap to Transfer. If you're excited for this feature, hit that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and ring the bell icon for more tech updates.